up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and I am so super stoked for today's video, guys, because I have a premium for-profit electronics mystery box from BoxFlipz. I am so super excited, guys. I so can't wait to open this box. But before I do, I want to give you guys a little bit of information about BoxFlipz for those of you who are not familiar with their company. So BoxFlipz is a liquidator, and they get a lot of Amazon returns and things like that they resell. So they have 3 different kinds of mystery boxes that they have available. I'm going to look at my iPad, guys, because I don't want to mess this up. So they have the large sealed mystery box from Amazon. So that box is one that I've gotten 3 times so far. I just unboxed one last week, and I got 2 other boxes prior to that, and I love them. I love them. I have never been disappointed. 100% get my value worth out of the box and more every single time. I absolutely love those boxes, and I would highly encourage anybody who loves a mystery to get those boxes. So they also have the one that I'm going to go over with you guys today, the premium electronic for-profit mystery box. That one is $299. Now, yes, that is expensive, but you guys have to understand you're getting premium electronics. I'm going to go over that in detail in a second. I also want to let you know that they also have mystery boxes that are like general merchandise. So those ones are $199. Now, the Amazon mystery boxes right now are $99.99, but normally they're $139. So if you want to jump over and get one of those now would be a good time because they're only $100. And again, guys, highly encourage it. So if you didn't see my video last week, please make sure you check that out because those boxes are hands down my favorite mystery boxes I've ever gotten from any company ever. I'm just saying. So they also have bin store lot boxes. So they have they'll pull from their $10 bins, their $5 bins, and you can get like 30 blind pulls, 20 blind pulls, or 10 blind pulls, and they have various different prices for those boxes. So make sure that you check that as well. So that's something that you'd be interested in. I haven't tried one of those yet. I think I am going to, just to give you guys an idea what you get in those. And I'm actually kind of curious about it myself, but still, hands down, my favorite is the Amazon large mystery box. That is the one that I highly encourage you get. All right, guys, I will have a link in the description box below for BoxFlipz. Please make sure that you jump over and check out their site. And if you have the money, I highly suggest you get one of their boxes. They never disappoint. I'm just saying, I love them. I love them. Okay, so the box that I'm going to go over with you guys today, it is the Premium Electronics Mystery Box. And again, this one is $299.99, so it's about $300. But I am telling you, I'm going to almost guarantee you will most likely get the bang for your buck. I'm just saying this company has never disappointed me. So this is what their description of the box is. It says, we really are switching things up with these boxes. We got rid of the private label stuff and went for the name brands you know and love in every box. So they're guaranteeing no private label stuff. You're going to get some good stuff in your box, right? So it says guaranteed one item valued from $99 to $299. Guys, even if you got something that was valued worth $100, that is almost half your box. I'm just saying, the cost of your box. Your box will contain around 20 to 30 electronic items. That is awesome. I mean, electronics aren't cheap. You guys know that, right? So whatever they can fit in the box is what they're going to be able to put in there. So they're going to jam your box full as much as they possibly can. So it says that these do sell out fast. So if you're interested in one of these boxes, you better jump over and get it. If you got the money, do it now. I'm going to unbox this one for you to give you guys an idea of what you get in the box. And if it's of interest to you, do it right after you're done watching the video. Okay, so these boxes are made up of liquidated merchandise, store returns, shelf pulls, and damaged packaging. The only individual items they will test are the items below, so your big item is guaranteed to be in a sellable condition. I can read, guys. Really, I can. These are less of a mystery and more of a guaranteed profit. They put that in all caps, guys. I'm just saying, this is straight from the company. And so far, they have not yet disappointed me. So yeah, let's dig into this box, guys. I'm just going to go for it. All right, guys, let me show you how big the box is. This is how big the box is. Oh my gosh. And I just massacred it trying to pull off like my address and stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and pause for a second, give you guys a sneak peek at the top of the box, the way it's all packaged up and everything. And then we're going to jump into all this super fun, what I hope to be super fun stuff inside the box. Okay, guys, so here's a sneak peek at the inside of the box. Look at that. A wired HD video doorbell. I'm just saying, that is awesome. already. So this is just a little sneak peek to what I'm seeing in the very first part of the box. Now we're going to go ahead and start unboxing it. I think it's going to be so awesome. Okay, guys. Wow, I'm super stoked. I mean, the first things that I'm seeing on top look super awesome. So let's just dig in here. We'll dig into that first thing that I mentioned, which is a wired HD video doorbell. So it's Wi-Fi connected, 1080 HD TV, motion activated. It works with Alexa. Okay, guys, I'm so down for this. Oh my gosh, that is so exciting. I definitely need some security system. I was actually looking at Simply Safe. I was thinking I was going to go in that direction, but I don't know. Maybe we'll see if this works since I already have it. We'll go ahead and give this a try. I am super stoked. Okay, so that's the first thing in here. All right, I don't even know where to start, guys. There's just, I mean, they packed it as full as they possibly could. This is crazy. Where do I go? Okay. Ooh, this is heavy. What is this? Smart code touchpad electronic deadbolt. Okay, so this is for your home. Now, I wonder if this works with the kind of door that I have. I don't know. But here's a look at it, guys. I'm not sure if this will be something that will work for my house in particular or not. But if it will not, then I have family and they might be able to use this. So this is awesome. I'm definitely happy to have it. I'm just not sure if I can use it at my house in particular. We're about to find out. I would love to be able to use it though, because I would love to not need to have a key. So yeah, we'll see. That's pretty cool. This thing is heavy. Wowzers. I mean, it's really heavy, you guys. Okay, let's set that aside and dig into the next thing. What is this? Oh, it's Apple. It's Apple. Apple what? It's an Apple Pencil. You guys, for iPad models with magnetic Apple Pencil connector. Guys, I want to open it. Okay, here it is. Oh my gosh, I'm super stoked. No, I've been looking at these. I don't know what the price point is for these, you guys, but I'm definitely going to be popping that information up for you guys so that you know, that you're getting the value that you put into this box. I want to open this. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh. Stop it. Stop it. So excited, you guys. Oh my gosh. I am so excited. Okay, I don't know how this thing works or anything. But I am super excited to have it. I edit on my iPad for those of you who don't know. So this is going to be very, very useful for me. I am so excited. I am super stoked. All right, that was awesome. Okay, what is this? Ugh. Oh. Now, I'm not a fan of this show, but I definitely can see myself putting this out for maybe my duck pond game because I don't. So this is The Office, the complete series, you guys. Wow. How I wish this was Seinfeld. I would have been like, you guys would have needed earmuffs for how bad I would have been screaming if it was Seinfeld. So it looks like you get season 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. All 9 seasons of The Office. That's pretty awesome. Now, again, I'm not a fan of The Office, which is funny because I'm an office worker, but I just never really got into that show. Okay, what do we have here? So this is Steel Suit. Ooh, it's high performance wired gaming headset for PlayStation 5 and PlayStation 4. All right, that is going to be awesome for my duck pond game. I like to put some really awesome prizes out because it makes people want to play more. And the more they play, the more money I make. I'm just saying. So this would probably definitely be something that I would put out for my duck pond. I think a lot of the kids would try to win this because my duck pond game, believe it or not, a lot of adults and children play it. So I like to have prizes for both, for adults, kids, and very young kids, even down to babies. I try to have a plethora of options for people to win. Okay, what do we have here? Fully flexible head for incredibly smooth skin effortlessly. Brawn. What is it though? Oh, it's a shaver and trimmer. And plus it has a brush. Okay. I will definitely give it a try. I mean, why not? So you can use this in the shower? and they're getting it full on wet. Oh, wow. I'm sorry, guys. I am totally looking at this and not showing it to you guys. So, yes, I will definitely give this a try. I'm actually pretty excited to give it a try. I don't know this brand, but I'm sure it's pretty good. Let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, okay. So, here's what it looks like when I open it up, you guys. And I open up the little set here. Okay. So, it looks like I have the brush head to, like, you know, clean your body or whatever. And then we have the actual shaver itself. So I've never tried one like this before. Okay. I mean, I'll give it a try. Why not, right? Okay. Not mad at that at all. And again, guys, I will look up the price of how much this stuff costs because I have no idea. Oh, these have two things. What is this? This is a professional nail drill machine. So does this mean that it's for, hold on. Okay, sorry guys, here it is. Does it mean it's for like doing your nails? Is that what this is for? I'm not sure. So I'm going to take a better look at it and see. Yeah, I think that's what this is for. I don't want to like waste too much of your time here. Yes, it is for your fingernails. Okay, so I most likely won't use this, and this would not be something I would put out for the duck pond, but I don't know what the resale value is for this thing, or if possibly somebody would be interested in it giveaway wise. So this is cool, but not something that I would use in particular. All right, what is this one? Oh, it's buried. Oh my gosh. Hold on. I'll put that aside. I don't know what that is, but we'll put it aside. What is this? Expression Smooth. Digital Control Dual Voltage Beveled Edges. Oh, Paul Mitchell. Pro Tools. But what? It's just an iron? What is this? Oh, it's a smoothing flips and waves. Oh, okay. So obviously it's an iron of some sort. Here you go, guys. Sorry. Oh my gosh. I'm doing a terrible unboxing because I just really want to see this stuff for myself. You know what I mean? So here's what it is. Let me open this up because this will definitely be something that I keep. Oh, it's a flat iron. All that. And it's just a flat iron. It definitely looks like it may have been used, which is okay. I will just sanitize it. So I'm okay with that. Yeah. Okay. I have a new flat iron. Now, I don't know how well Paul Mitchell tools are going to work with my particular hair type, but we're going to give her a go. Let's see. Okay, so then we have, oh, it's a hair dryer. So the ultimate blow drying tool. All right, dry bar. Wow. Okay, check that out, you guys. Wow. That's pretty awesome. I'm pretty sure this is a pretty expensive item as well. So that's cool. Let me open this up and see. Oh yeah, it's completely, oh wow. Okay, look at that, you guys. So, oops, I will get that later, but here's what it looks like on the inside. Okay, guys, so I have to pop in here because I gave this to my mom, and when she turned it on to use it for the first time, it was making like a really weird noise, but she was like, okay, maybe that's just how it sounds, whatever. So she continues to dry her hair, and then all of a sudden, no exaggeration, flames shot out the back of the hairdryer. I mean, the whole thing just a shooting flame outside the back of the hairdryer. Super crazy. She hurried up and turned it off. So I just wanted to let you guys know that the hairdryer definitely was not an item that you would be able to resell or use, which was disappointing. I haven't tried out the rest of the stuff yet. I will most likely do a follow-up video to let you know if I had problems with anything else, but I definitely wanted to make sure that you guys were aware of this issue. Okay, guys, let's jump back into whatever I was talking about in the video. All right, guys, I don't know what the value of all of these products are, so I will look them up. And as I look them up, I will pop them on the screen so that you guys know how much each product is worth. So it looks like I was able to get a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 items is what they fit in my box. I think it said on the description that you get 10 items and I got 9, but that's okay because they fit. You could not fit one more thing in this box. It would have been impossible. So they did pack the box to the fullest that they possibly could. And I got some really awesome stuff. I am not complaining whatsoever. BoxFlipz never disappoints me. Again, guys, please make sure that you check them out if you're interested in mystery boxes where you get an awesome bang for your buck. They are definitely the place to go. Hands down my favorite. I mean, back when We Bargain was big and they were in business, I was getting those boxes and they were always terrible. Like even when I got their Amazon return boxes, they were terrible. I have never been disappointed from an Amazon return box from BoxFlipz. So that's why I highly suggest that you get theirs. They don't cherry pick them. They don't like pick out what they want. They're unopened, completely sealed boxes directly from Amazon and they ship them to you. So they don't know what's in their box just as well as you're not going to know what's in the box. So it's a surprise to everybody, which is, I think, super fun. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video. Again, I'll have a link in my description box for BoxFlipz. So if you guys want to check them out, I highly suggest you do that. That's all I got for you this time, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have a premium electronics box from BoxFlipz. It's a mystery box. I got that part. A premium electronic profit box. Try it again. Electronics box from BoxFlipz. Now, for those of you who don't know who BoxFlipz is, what BoxFlipz is? Yeah, let's try it again. They are a liquidator who takes in like Amazon pallets and all that kind of stuff. So they have the large mystery box that you can get from Amazon. Hold on. I'm messing this up. Boom. Try it again. Sealed, not opened at all, mystery box from Amazon. So they're Amazon returns, okay? So when I say that, okay, hold on.